Hey, hey, hey. How are you? Happy
Hi.
Sunday. What?
I said hi.
So, it's Sunday and it's nighttime. So, we are going to do our nighttime routine. And Susana's been doing her solo, and then I go and I do mine later, not with you. And, but we're going to do it together. Ooh, baby.
Ooh.
And we're going to add something. Are you ready? We're going to add a toner. Toner. And you've used a toner before. You just didn't know you were using a toner because we have a rose water toner that is really, really awesome for sunburn. And it's really great for helping to remove redness and irritation from your skin. And that's part of like what toners are supposed to do anyway. And but the rose water is super amazing on sunburns. And so Susana can definitely attest to that. You had a really bad sunburn.
Very bad.
And I was really surprised at how well it worked. So would you like to use, so we have some special toners that are available this month. There is the regular rose water. That's not special. That we always have that. Cucumber is special. Lavender is special. And grapefruit is special. Which would you like?
I would like the lavender.
Good answer, because it's right here. Okay, so we've already done our cleanser, and now with the toner, all you do is spritz. If you don't like the spray right in your face, you can do it onto your hands. Which would you prefer?
Right on the face.
Okay, and then you're going to rub it in gently.
In upward motions.
In upward motions. I'm done.
With my eyes and mouth closed. I can tell you that doesn't taste good. And that was a little too close.
Okay.
Because I didn't get any like here or here. Just got two big globs.
Do you need more? See,
Yep.
That's why I put it in my hand.
There. I got a good covering.
Misting?
A misting. Yes. Like the Maid of the Mist in Niagara Falls.
Fabulous. How do you like the smell?
Did we use the same one?
No, I used grapefruit.
I like the grapefruit smell.
Yeah.
I like the lavender smell, but I wasn't sure about the grapefruit smell, and it smells very nice.
I can't smell either of them, so that's why we have Susana. She's our super sniffer. It's not that they don't smell. I don't smell. Well,
Good thing you don't smell.
I
couldn't
probably
sit
do
this
smell.
close to you.
Oh yes, you could. You know you could. All right, what are we doing next?
Serum.
All right,
Serum with boosters.
serum with boosters. Just one little pump. That's it.
Nose, mustache, and as our friend Shelley said, her mother reminded her, always put your cream in an upward motion. So you're going against gravity. Oh, doesn't that look pretty?
You know, you don't have to like move it so hard. You can do it gently, Lovey.
Doesn't really feel like it's doing anything that way.
Like just a soft moving. Like,
See? You get stuck.
That's because
Roadblock.
You're already moisturized. Okay, what's next?
Next is the night cream.
Okay.
And then it's nighty night.
It's nighty night for Susana. I'm actually staying up and doing some work.
I tend to forget my nose, so giving the nose some extra love. And
I didn't give you
running out.
I didn't give you a large dip, sorry.
You should know I need a large dip.
You have a very little face. You don't need such a large dip. What about your cheeks? You haven't done like any of this side. Use the other side. Did you get some on this side? Okay. Gently. Gentle. Susana and gentle aren't necessarily two words that go together.
And what are you putting on?
I'm putting on night cream as well.
Oh. Do you have Youology?
I do.
Is it on special this month?
It is on special this month. It's an additional 15% off. And I say an additional because it was already discounted. So in total, it's 28% off. And that's pretty damn good. So, is that true? One moment.
$146.
Yes, 28%. I thought I was lying to you because, that's a really big discount. So, normally it's $102. It's $146. And
normally it's $102.
No.
And then special it's $146.
$202.
Not much of a special there.
Sorry, $202. And so, it's a huge savings, obviously.
Mm-hmm.
And so a great time to do that. Yes?
This is a good time to mention, you don't have to get the whole regimen.
You don't. You can buy individual pieces. So
we haven't talked about that yet.
We haven't. So any of the things that I talk about, you can buy individually.
Night cream, serum, facial cleaner.
This is always the first thing to run out. Always.
Serum.
This will last a year. So, you buy what you need and then you just add what you can. I have a lot of people who just start with either day cream or night cream and then advance to the other stuff as they A, have money, or B, start seeing some results. So that is all available. And these toners that I talked about are also they're a part of a different bundle that's on sale this month that is 20% off. So if that is of interest, it's a good time to get those too. What's up, sleepyhead?
I got something in my eye.
Oh, is it?
It was my finger.
It was your finger. Oh, I forgot.
No, it was soap.
Oh, when you cleansed. So I forgot. We do have a big announcement from our sponsor, aka us. So we have decided on a little programming change. And so our programming change is that we are going to be going live. Well, we're going to be filming
and posting
on YouTube. And then we are going to be sharing that into this page. So you won't get the Facebook live piece of it, but feel free to make any comments and such. And if you want the marketing details of all of that, I'm more than happy to share them. Boy, I look so red right now.
I'll move back a little bit.
Oh, you're red.
You are red.
My face does that when I touch it. It does. So when you see me with makeup on, it's covering a lot. So.
Me too.
Yes, you. All the time. You ready to call it a night?
Foundation. Yes.
Okay.
Foundation is my friend. Not really. I don't know what I'm talking about.
She needs to go to bed. You're cray.
I'm tired.
Mwah. All right.
Thanks for watching.
Bye, kids.
See you on the YouTube.